Is this the time for Bitcoin to explode? Well, the news of ETF approval attracted massive attention for crypto investors in the last 24 hours. With the post on SEC government's account at 4 pm, the price of Bitcoin rose sharply by $1,000 to a high of $48,000. But just in 10 minutes later, this turned out to be a false news and created huge volatility in the price, and it dropped to a low of $45,000, nearly a 6% fall. Well, the ETF approval will be a significant event for Bitcoin in the long term, and it will have a huge impact. But what about short term? Let's try to find out through technicals and see how we can trade this. So this is our weekly time frame on the Bitcoin. So we can see here the market closed above the previous swing high, creating a break-off structure, and then market actually taken a correction and then closed below the previous swing low, and this will turn out to be a change of character on the downside. So our new swing high will become this. Now after breaking the previous swing low, the market turned to go high, but eventually it couldn't, and then made another new low, and from here made an internal change of character. So our current swing range will be this will be our new swing low. So this is on the large structure side on the weekly time frame, and so our major supply is at the previous swing high. So this is our weekly supply zone, and before making a change of character here, market actually made an internal break-off structure. So that is here at this level there is a resistance. So this will be our resistance zone, whereas this will remain our supply zone. So at this point of time we need to see, because the pullback has internal pullback has already happened towards this level. So if this high, the weekly high, is broken, then we can consider that probably the way Bitcoin can move all the way towards this swing high, which is close to $69,000. So let us see on the daily time frame. So the daily time frame currently it is in bullish mode. Okay. So and reaching our resistance point, although this is not a strong resistance at this level, but still on the weekly time frame we have identified this is a resistance zone, whereas our supply zone is somewhere near close to some $69,000. So right now it is in bullish mode, breaking the previous swing highs. So this is the swing high. So our new demand zone on the daily time frame is somewhere close here. So if you observe, after this break-off structure, market has never pulled back. So it's like continuously making higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, and it reached towards the resistance. So we need to observe the price action, whether the market will continue to make higher highs and higher lows and reaching towards our weekly supply zone, which is near $69,000, or on the daily time frame whether we see any pullback that occurs and then make any change of character to the downside, and then we'll continue on the bearish side and reaching towards the swing low. So that we need to observe how the price action is going to be. Look, since currently it is in bullish mode, we need to look for only the bullish trades. Let's go to 4-hour time frame. So 4-hour time frame, our current swing structure, it has given a break-off structure on the higher side. This is the 4-hour break-off structure. So our strong demand zone at this point of time on 4 hours is in this zone. So after the break-off structure, we expect the pullback towards the demand zone and then continue its trend towards higher side. So only thing is we need to be cautious in this range, because this is our weekly resistance zone. So unless we see a strong closing above this $52,000, we cannot estimate whether the price will go towards the weekly swing high, which is at $69,000. So I hope this gives you a clarity on the current swing structure. The daily is in bullish mode, 4 hour is also in bullish mode. So we are just waiting for a pullback towards this and then continue its trend towards a higher. So that is the internal structure which we are currently seeing on the Bitcoin. Hope this helps. Please subscribe and continue to learn through our market structure analysis through our upcoming videos. Thank you.